as I look at what's happening with the terrain, I am feeling like that is a path that was created for them to bring the minerals from right here. So I'm feeling like there was a key deposit for whatever this material is that has been mined. Maybe it's novaculite. Maybe it's something else, but it's an abundance of it out here. So this is one of the rocks, and this is my foot. Just to give a comparison to see how big some of these smaller to medium-sized rocks are. Now I wonder if we can turn all of that rock into a rock wall and make a foundation into the ridge without having to dig, because it's already dug. So this is the area in question. This definitely looks to me like some type of a mine.